Hi everybody, this is my trip to Great Wolf Lodge. This is how it looks on the outside of the hotel. That's the parking. This is the hotel room. Since I'm on the last floor on the bottom, this is how it looks outside. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. The sky is normally a bit dull, but it's also good, so it's not too hot or too cold. It's like perfect weather. This is my favorite part. The water park is so big and there's so much to do. And it's lots of fun for kids and parents. It's a place where your whole family can enjoy. That big bucket says Great Wolf Lodge, Niagara Falls, Canada. Something exciting is gonna happen soon. There's so many slides, but there are heights, so you can only go on certain slides. But if you're tall enough, you can go on all the slides. The bucket's one of the most amazing things you'll see there. The bucket tips with a lot of water, and it's so cool to be under. This is in the lobby. That's a fireplace. Don't worry, it's not real. That's a bear, also not real, and a moose, also not real. This is the whole lobby. The moose can talk and move. The bear can move.